In a serious production unit, filling is not just about putting product into a bottle. It is about control, consistency, hygiene, and output you can depend on. If your packing line still depends heavily on manual filling or inconsistent operator handling, the real cost is bigger than labor. It shows up in spillage, variation, rework, and a production line that struggles to scale professionally. Introducing the Packtronix fully automatic liquid filling machine. Built for manufacturers handling liquids, semi-liquids, creams, pastes, and a wide range of viscosities. Whether you fill sauces, nutraceutical syrups, Ayurvedic products, shampoos, lotions, hand wash, or specialty liquids, Packtronix helps bring more discipline to your filling process. Accurate filling, cleaner filling, better repeatability, lower dependence on manual effort, and a more organized production experience. If your business is ready to move from manual filling activity to automated filling control, talk to Packtronix, share your product application, and discuss the right filling solution for your production goals.